Hey guys, it's Carter coming at you with a video on oil. I think my opinion on oil and the chart itself is going to be very interesting and you guys won't want to miss it. But before we jump into oil, I just wanted to show you this mystery chart because I think it is one of the most bullish chart setups that I have ever seen, and you guys might agree with me here. So look at this. You see a huge top on this chart right here, followed by a large down move. So now, since 2022, you've been consolidating in a way of regeneration with consistently higher lows coming up to a flat resistance level. So this is an ascending triangle at the bottom of a market. It's a regeneration pattern, and these typically break to the upside. And they normally break to the upside in a pretty spectacular way. It's a pretty strong move. Now, have you figured out what this mystery chart pattern is? So that mystery chart pattern I just showed you was actually the chart of crude oil, but it was inverted. So you just saw that we are actually in an incredibly bearish chart pattern here on oil. We have been making consistent lower highs. So this is the real chart of oil here we're looking at. I just showed you an inverted version just to show you how bearish the setup right now actually is, because I don't know if anyone would take my word if I just said, hey, this is a bearish setup, because everything I'm seeing online right now, at least, is that oil is incredibly bullish and that the news on oil is bullish and that earnings for oil stocks in the third quarter is bullish, bullish, bullish. I don't believe any of that. The chart is not agreeing with that statement. Regardless of the news and the geopolitical conflicts here, the chart doesn't seem to care. It is not a bullish chart. It is, in fact, an incredibly bearish chart. However, this consolidation here with the consistent lower highs has not broken. It is just a chart pattern. And in technical analysis, as a trader, you know you should not be trading a chart pattern. You should be trading the breakout of that chart pattern here. So if we break to the upside, it nullifies most of the bearishness on this chart, and that could happen. So if we begin trading above $75 consistently, this could become a nullified pattern. But if we don't do that and we break below this range between $66 and $68 right here as support, this chart is going down and likely to this $40 level right here. So if we break that $66 to $68 support range, it might mean that we see a pretty quick flush out to the $40 level. And this $40 level, I would look for major technical support, as it's been just that in the past. So the $40 level would be major support if we broke this bearish chart pattern to the downside. But I can't stress this enough. We need to break below that $66 to $68 support range for this pattern to be activated and for us to see a high probability of downside. But right now, technical analysis, not the news, not people's opinions, technical analysis, the charts are saying that oil is in danger here. All right, I hope you liked this video. I would, in the next coming up weeks and months, be looking for momentum to eventually start to come down here. Our stochastic RSI will lead any breakdown of support most likely. And then if we got a retest of that $66 to $68 level upon a breakdown, then I would be looking to short up here for a move down to $40. So $40 is my 2025 target on oil. We'll see if that occurs. All right, that is all I got in this video. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. I just am a guy that looks at the charts and the probabilities. And right now, the probabilities favor a large move to the downside in 2025. All right, have a good one.